Do you think making money on YouTube is only for big influencers? Think again. What if I told you starting small could be your biggest advantage? In this video, I'll show you how to build a profitable YouTube channel without needing a huge following or a fancy setup. Ready to turn your passion into real income? Let's get into it. In step 1, define your niche. Alright, let's talk about choosing your niche. This is the first step to building a channel that makes money. Your niche is what will set you apart from the millions of other channels out there. It's the area you'll focus on, and the content you'll create consistently. Now, it's not just about picking something you're interested in, but also something that has earning potential. That's why I always recommend finding a balance between passion and profit. Pick a topic that excites you, but also has an audience that is willing to engage and buy. Popular niches like tech, beauty, gaming, and education work, but there's always room for unique niches like DIY projects, niche hobbies, or even personal finance for specific groups. And step 2, create engaging content. Once you've defined your niche, it's time to focus on creating engaging content. This is where a lot of creators get stuck. But trust me, you don't need fancy equipment to get started. What you need is value. Start by focusing on quality content over perfection. A clear message, good lighting, and clear audio can go a long way. Don't worry about having the best equipment. Use your phone to get started. You can always upgrade later. Consistency is key. Don't just post once and disappear. Aim to post regularly and keep engaging with your audience through comments, polls, and even community posts. And step 3, grow your audience. Now that you have content flowing, let's talk about growing your audience. Building a community is essential for long-term success on YouTube. First, focus on SEO. YouTube is the second largest search engine, so make sure your titles, descriptions, and tags are optimized. Use relevant keywords that people are searching for, but don't just stuff keywords. Make your descriptions clear and engaging. Next, promote your videos across social media. Share on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, wherever your audience hangs out. Engage in cross-promotion with other creators in your niche to help each other grow. And remember, engagement matters. Respond to comments, ask questions in your videos, and create content that encourages people to share. And step 4, monetize your channel. Now that your audience is growing, it's time to monetize your YouTube channel. The first thing you want to do is apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn money from ads that run on your videos. But to qualify, you'll need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. But don't stop there. You can make money in other ways. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission on each sale. Sponsorships. Work with brands to promote their products in exchange for payment. Merchandise. If you built a loyal following, consider creating your own merchandise and selling it to your audience. Super Chat and memberships. For live streaming, Super Chat and channel memberships, let your audience support you directly. And step 5, scale your channel. Now that your channel is up and running, let's talk about scaling. This is where things really start to take off. Once you have a solid foundation, you can grow faster and increase your income. Start by diversifying your content. Try doing Q&A videos, challenges, or collaborations with other YouTubers. Experiment with different video types to see what works best with your audience. Then, keep an eye on your YouTube analytics. This is your best friend when it comes to growing your channel. Use it to see what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, expand your brand. Consider launching courses, ebooks, or exclusive content that your audience can purchase. NNSO. There you have it. The full roadmap to starting and scaling a YouTube channel that makes money. It's not about having a huge following or the fanciest equipment. It's about consistency, creating value, and engaging with your audience. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable YouTube channel. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. and let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of focusing on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who needs to see it.